Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing extremely unbelievable formation in the conch. It is called extremely beautiful, powerful Shiva Parvati conch. So you can see two lines externally going outside the conch. Inside also there is a line. Basically, you can see the lines are inside the conch, never line outside the conch. But this is conch. See, you can see from say outside two lines are passing. Two lines of concrete solid line passing throughout the conch. Just solid line. So one line for Shiva, another line for Parvati. Shiva Parvati conch. So Shiva Parvati conch. It's an unbelievable formation in the Indian Ocean puja conch. Two lines outside and four lines inside. It's a beautiful, amazing formation. Unbelievable formation. Having this conch with you, you will get full blessings of Shiva and Parvati, and all obstacle facing will be removed, and you will get huge success. And family also, you will get good happy functions. It is for families. It is a Shiva Parvati conch for family happiness. The amazing conch. It is impossible formation. Inside four lines, outside two lines. This is all Shiva Parvati. It's impossible formation. Shiva Parvati conch. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.